I want to talk about the Lodge cast iron meat rack and trivet. These are designed to be used in cast iron pans. You can use it to raise the meat while you cook it, or to use it as a trivet. My purpose for purchasing this was to use it on my wood stove to combat our dry house that we have here in the winter, burning our wood stove. We have a wood stove kettle, and I was noticing that putting the kettle directly on the stove would result in the water evaporating very quickly. So I purchased this to provide a little bit of a buffer to give the kettle a little bit more time and stretch out the life I get out of filling the kettle. I've been thrilled with the purchase so far. I've had it over a year. It still looks fantastic, and it's a Lodge. What more can you say? There's really no one that knows cast iron better than them. I would certainly purchase again and very satisfied. If you'd like to purchase this trivet for your home, please click on the link in the description below.